The Friend of Medicine Award is given to a non-physician in recognition of outstanding service to medicine. Through his career as a pharmacist, Rusty Ryan worked alongside physicians and trained physicians. He served for 33 years in the Department of Community and Family Medicine at UMKC and Truman Medical Center. He trained residents in pharmacy therapeutics. After retiring, he continued his partnership with physicians through the Kansas City Medical Society and Foundation's Retired Physicians Group. He started and leads the Speakers Bureau, through which retired physicians give dozens of talks on medical topics in the community each year.
We have a Speakers Bureau of approximately 10 physicians, and they have different backgrounds, internal medicine, family medicine, and specialties, so they will talk about something in their particular area. For instance, the management of congestive heart failure would be an example that a cardiologist would speak about. Well, I think it's an organization that allows you to give back to the community that's been so good to you for so many years. It has a lot of social involvement where you can be involved in various museum visits or dining out or things of that nature. And we still mentor medical students and also residents and people in a learning environment. Well, first of all, I'm honored to be recognized, but at the same time, I reflect on the fact that my personal and my professional impact, if what little I've had, has been built around the issue of trust and of teamwork. And so what I've accomplished has been really accomplished with many others, such as the patients, the physicians, my wife, Nancy, our family, my good friend and partner of over 40 years, Dr. Dave Rush, and many other friends that have supported my activities over these years. I couldn't have done it by myself.
I first met Dr. Rusty Ryan back in the 1980s when I was a resident in the family medicine residency at Baptist Medical Center. And Dr. Ryan was one of the PharmDs along with his partner Dave Rush. His teaching style, he knew a lot about pharmacology, but he also knew a lot about clinical medicine and about taking care of patients. And I learned a tremendous amount of medicine from Rusty Ryan. He had an impact on a huge number of young physicians in their training. When I was still a resident, I think I was on a community medicine rotation, and Rusty took me with him on a Friday to the education session at Shepherd Center down at a church in Midtown Kansas City. And I saw him give a presentation to a group of older adults about a topic in medicine. And I think really led him in towards the work that he has done, continue to do with the John Locke Society, and then now with the Retired Physicians Organization, where they continue to give these kind of presentations to people in the community. So I think Rusty Ryan is absolutely very, very well deserving of the Friends of Medicine Award.